Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search photos app from here. Click on photos app. After click on photos app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your hidden files. Click on files app. After click on files app and check your hidden files from here. After check hidden files, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on Photos app and click on Albums. After click on Albums, scroll down and click on Recently Deleted. So check Recycle Bin. After check Recycle Bin, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing or disappearing photos on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.